Hey Lexette, I wanted to make a quick video for you to show you how to use something called Flyleaf. It's one of the great e-reading, e-learning options that we have available for you. This is our Lakeside Library e-reading, e-learning options s'more. It's got a great collection of different resources. And you can get to this from the library website, also from the library Google Classroom page, and it's also been posted on the school Facebook page. But as I mentioned, the one we're going to look at today is called Flyleaf. So we're going to go down underneath the electronic book links, and each one of these red buttons has something different to offer, but the one we're looking at today is called Flyleaf. So I'll click on that one. This will take us out to their online materials portal. And then over on the right-hand side, you'll see where it says Dive In. And there's some instructors things available for teachers, but there's also a link to student resources. So I'm going to click on Students. This is a great way to practice a specific reading skill. So let's say that my teacher contacts me and lets me know that I really need to work on vowel digraphs. So as you can see, there are several books listed under here. And so I might click on this one called Plates, Quakes, and Glowing Magma. It's nice because a lot of these are aligned with things you might be learning in your science or your social studies class. But I'll click on this one to link. And then to read this book, there's the left-hand button and the right-hand button. That's how you turn the pages. So I can click on this and start reading this book. There are a couple other really handy features that are in here. Let's say that I want to look more closely at the mantle and the picture that's over here on the side. You can zoom in by double-clicking on the screen. You can move around. I can get pretty up close there if I want to see some more detail. Then if I want to go to zoom back out, I could do that from there. One of the other things is, let's say that you read a little bit of the book and need to take a break, and click on the thumbnails. I'll show you exactly where you are. There's that image we just looked at of the Earth's mantle on page 7. And then when I'm ready to keep going again, I can click on the thumbnails again, and now I'll get back into the regular view, and I can keep reading the book here. But once I've finished with the book, then I can click back on the For Students link, and I might choose a different book under that skill. You also see that for a lot of them, there are, in fact, let's look at Part 8, Long Vowels of Silent E. In addition to being able to read in the book by clicking on it, you can also click on the homework, and that might give you some more practice with that skill that your teacher has assigned for you. That's a little bit about how to use Flyleaf electronic books to practice your reading skills.